Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Stacey Naito, and today I'd like to talk about a product from the Brace Lab. It's called the Posture Corrector Brace. Now, I'm a board certified physician. I work in family practice. I do a lot of sports medicine, and I am constantly seeing patients who are complaining of poor posture, or even if they're not complaining of poor posture, they're complaining of poor health, difficulty breathing, neck pain, back spasms, all that sort of thing. So I am frequently admonishing my patients to sit up straight, to correct their posture, and to do posture correcting exercises. And like there's one exercise that I actually really like. It's more like a posture reminder, and that is to have someone stand up against the wall with their shoulders back and to hold that pose for about a minute, and then when they walk away from the wall, they're supposed to keep their shoulders back. But with human beings, they often forget those little reminders, and especially if they're working at a desk, they start to slump. So what I like about the Posture Corrector Brace is, number one, it's affordable. Number two, it's a simple design, but it's very effective. It's basically like a figure 8 brace that you would see with people who sustain clavicle or collarbone fractures. But it does work in keeping the shoulders back and the chest open. And it comes in 3 sizes. This particular brand comes in 3 sizes. It has a breathable fabric called Airprene, and so it's going to keep you cool. It's not going to feel heavy and hot and oppressive. So the other thing is that this brace can be worn underneath clothing, and I'm going to prove it to you. I'm actually wearing the brace right now. So what this brace will do is it will keep your shoulders back, okay? So with your shoulders back, you're actually going to find that you're not going to slump over, you're not going to be able to. And there's also this little strap here in the back, which is going to prevent you from hunching over. It actually is uncomfortable if I try to do that. So it's going to keep you straight, and then it's going to keep your shoulders back, okay? Opens up the chest, opens up the pectoral muscles. So now the way that you put this on, let me just show you. It's actually very easy, okay? So here is the brace, okay? And you can see it's from the Brace Lab. So I'm going to show you how the Posture Corrector Brace is put on. Now, I actually like to keep the loops in here. It just makes it a little bit easier. But you can take the loops out and try to find them. It's just, if it's hard if, you know, you don't have them looped and then you put this on like a jacket, because then you can't find those loops. So I'm going to put this on, again, just like I'm putting on a jacket, all right? And then there are the 2 straps on each side, which I'm pulling on right now, okay? So here are the straps, okay? And I'm going to pull relatively tight so that my shoulders start to move back. So if this is loose, I can still move forward, okay? So I'm going to pull these so that they're relatively tight, kind of picking up the slack, and then just putting them in place with the Velcro. So it's actually pretty comfortable. My shoulders are back. I'm not able to hunch, which is really nice. And I mean, I can go about my day. So I can work, I can see patients, I can drive, I can do laundry. I can do just about anything that I need to do throughout the day without having any chance of restriction. And again, I'm going to put my coat back on, and you can see that this does hide pretty well under clothing. That being said, I mean, you can't put this under something that's skin tight. Like I wouldn't put it under this because I'm wearing an off-shoulder top, and it is kind of snug. But this, something like a jacket or even a dress shirt, would do just fine with the brace. So see, I can go off and see my patients and no one knows that I'm wearing the brace. So I highly, highly recommend this product. It's such an inexpensive product, and it does the trick. That's what's so cool about it. You know, you're spending, what, like less than 20 bucks, and you can wear this throughout the day and correct your posture. So thank you so much for listening and watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, healthy day.